Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss with you chapter number 4, Science and Technology. Okay, so the first question is, this German geologist said that the earth was once covered by a supercontinent and a super ocean. The gigantic landmass broke up and drifted away to create the continents that we know today. His theory is known as the theory of continental drift. Okay, who was this scientist? See this picture. Okay, who was this scientist? Here the right answer will be option D, Alfred Wegener. Okay, Alfred Wegener. This will be the right answer. Next question. Many inventors invented light bulbs, but it was him who invented an incandescent bulb that could burn for a long time. He was also the first inventor to be awarded a patent for this invention. Identified him. Okay, see this picture. This so here the right answer will be option C, Thomas Alva Edison. Option C will be the right answer. Next, the man in the given picture was a mathematician and physicist. The idea of gravity came to him when an apple fell on his head while sitting under an apple tree. Who was this famous scientist? Okay, see this picture. Who was this famous scientist? This. Here the answer will be option B, Sir Isaac Newton. Okay, Sir Isaac Newton. Next question. These brothers became the inventors of the world's first successful aeroplane when they took off on a very short flight from Kitty Hawk, USA in 1903. Okay, 1903. Who were they? Who were they? Here the right answer will be option B. Okay, option B, Wilbur and Orville Wright. This will be the right answer. Next question. In 20th century, who developed the first apparatus for long distance radio communication? Here the right answer will be option B. Option B is the right answer. Next, he was a famous Indian physician who wrote about 1120 illnesses, 700 medicinal plants, and the preparation of hundreds of medicinal compounds. In his treatise, he performed many complicated surgeries as far back as 600 BCE. Who is this physician? Okay, who is this physician? Here the right answer will be option C. Okay, this will be the right answer. Next question. Who was the first earthling to orbit the earth in 1957 in Sputnik 2 launched by the Soviet Union? Here the right answer will be option A. Option A will be the right answer, Laika. Okay, this will be the right answer. Next, India's first artificial satellite was launched in 1975. What was it called? Right answer will be option C. Okay, Aryabhat. Aryabhat is the right answer. Option C. Next, which popular material used in making beddings is obtained from the husk of coconut? Okay, here the right answer will be option B. Okay, coir. This will be the right answer. This making beddings is obtained from the husk of coconuts. Next question. The body of this instrument is made of plastic or metal. It has two eyeplaces at one end. The other end has two powerful lenses. With it, you can view objects that are far away. What is this scientific instrument called? Here the right answer will be option D. Okay, binocular. This will be the right answer. Next question. Question number 11. This constellations of group of stars, which is a sign of the zodiac, is named after weighting scales which is vaguely resembles. Name these constellations. Name these constellations. Here the right answer will be option C. Libra. Libra is the right answer. These objects, next question, these objects are brilliant icy objects with long tail that visit our solar system periodically. For example, the one called Halley's can be seen every 76 years. Which celestial objects are we talking about? Okay, here the right answer will be option B. Comets. This will be the right answer, option B. Okay. Next, which of the following planets of our solar systems does not have a natural satellite? Venus, Jupiter, Uranus, Mars. Okay, these are the options. Here the right answer will be option A, Venus. This will be the right answer. Next, which country in the world has the world's highest robot density? Highest robot density. Here the right answer will be option D. South Korea. South Korea, option D is the right answer. Next, she was the first India-born woman astronaut. She was part of the Space Shuttle Columbia mission. She died tragically when the craft blew up during re-entry into Earth. Who was she? See this picture very carefully, okay, and understood. Okay, who was she? Here the right answer is option A, Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla is the right answer. Next question. Which common material used by human beings is obtained from sand? Rubber, glass, flax, wool. What would be the right answer? Here the right answer will be option B, Option B is the right answer. Glass. Okay. Glass is a common material that used by the human. Okay, is obtained from sand. Next question. An extraordinary man, he was best known as a painter, but he was also a great scientist who drew plans for a workable helicopter, tank, calculator, and many other things that we use today. Who was the genius? See this picture. See this picture. Okay. Who was he? Who was the genius? Here the right answer will be option D. Leonardo da Vinci. This will be the right answer. Next, he was a Scottish engineer who demonstrated the first working television system in 1926. He was the inventor of both the first publicly demonstrated color television system and the first purely electronic color television picture tube. Who was he? Here the right answer will be option C. John Logie Baird. Okay, this will be the right answer. Next question. She is a retired Russian cosmonaut who became the first woman to fly on a solo space mission on Voskhod 6. Who is she? See this picture. Who is she? Here the right answer is option A. Valentina Tereshkova. Option A. Valentina Tereshkova. This will be the right answer. Okay. She is the first woman to fly on a solo space mission on Voskhod 6. Next question. He was a Greek mathematician, geographer, poet, and astronomer who invented the discipline of geography. He is best known for being the first person to calculate the circumference of the earth. He created the first map of the world incorporating longitudes and latitudes. Who was the remarkable man of science? Here the right answer will be option C. Okay. This is the right answer. Aristotle's. Next question. A robot is an automatically guided machine which is able to task on its own. What is the name of the robot that is used as a research tool to understand the human body and behavior? Here the right answer will be option D. Humanoid robot. Option D. This will be the right answer. Next question. Who invented gramophone? Who invented gramophone? Right answer is option A. Emily Berliner. Emily Berliner. This will be the right answer. Okay. Next. He invented dynamite. He did not want to be remembered as a propagator of violence after his death. So he made his last will and donated his entire wealth to institute the Nobel Prize. Identify him. See this picture and identify him. Okay. Here the right answer will be option B. Okay. Alfred Nobel. And next is, which of the following is not used to make dinner sets and tea sets? Which of the following is not used to make dinner set and tea sets? Here the right answer is option D. Okay, rubber. Rubber is the right answer. Next and last question from this chapter. Which of these was invented by Stephen Perry and is used to hold objects together? Okay. Here the right answer is option C, rubber band. Okay, rubber band. Okay students, so these questions from your chapter 4, okay, from the chapter 4, science and technology. Okay, in our next class we discuss about chapter 5, environment and its conservations. Okay, bye and thank you.